Having previously determined that the Insta360 X3 coupled with the DJI Mic make for a fantastic combination, the one issue with this setup was the inability to mount the DJI receiver so that it remained invisible and outside of the stitch line. Well, that's no issue anymore thanks to this, the XMount 360. So the setup itself needed a couple of components, the Insta360 X3, along with the mic adapter, which fortunately is a small piece that clips neatly into the side of the X3, and the DJI Mic of course, which attaches to the microphone adapter now already in place. Thankfully the receiver is slim enough to stay hidden within the stitch line if placed vertically in this orientation, and the XMount 360 helps us to achieve just that. The package includes everything we need to get going. So we begin with the mount itself, a nylon infused material that's literally a right angle, with a hole in one end and a mounting point on the other. It doesn't feel particularly robust in its naked form, although this will change once mounted. So with that said, let's see how this thing fits together. Begin by ensuring a memory card is inserted, and the X3 battery module is in place, since the X-mount bracket will cover the battery side. That's a little unfortunate since battery replacement during use will now mean the entire setup needs to be dismantled, which is a bit of a chore, but necessary should you want this setup. Nevertheless, within the package you'll also receive a thumb screw, which can be used to mount the bracket into place and now attach it to the X3. It even has a 1/4" 20 pass-through mount in the bottom, providing the ability to mount the camera to other accessories as normal. Of course, you are free to use your selfie stick instead should you prefer. The next step is to ensure the audio adapter is in place, so remove the side door and plug in the adapter. Notice how the adapter covers the top portion of the X-mount somewhat, securing the top end and keeping the mount neatly in place. So with this setup, we now have the side mount free for the DJI receiver to slide straight on. It is a little tight, but that does mean once it's in place, it stays in place seriously firm. There's no way this will wiggle out of the mount without user intervention. Finally, you'll even receive a custom length audio cable for perfectly connecting the audio adapter to the receiver, again keeping it within the stitch line without any chance of it straying into the frame. Should you be using a separate Insta360 X3 cage, then a smaller cold shoe style mount is included in the package and can be used in place of the full-sized mount, providing the same overall solution. It's a little tough to slide on and off the receiver, but on a positive note, this is available separately and doesn't rely on the purchase of the entire package of course, a nice added touch. So, all in all, this solution works really well, no issues at all. We'd have to see how this material bears up with longer term use, but if you have an Insta360 X3 and want to mount your DJI kit in a neat and tidy way, all while keeping it outside of your 360-degree shot, then the XMount 360 is the best solution currently available and comes well recommended.